Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the vehicle. Put on goggles and gloves, then turn off the engine and remove keys. Once done, expose the battery cells by flipping vent caps and label them or remember positions. This prevents mix-ups. Attach the hydrometer tubing to the first cell, squeeze the bulb, and draw enough electrolyte to read the float, about 1/2 to 3/4 of the bulb. Do this quickly to avoid long exposure, and note the initial specific gravity. Once you have the sample in the hydrometer, hold it upright and read the float value. That is the specific gravity for that cell. Make sure you record each cell's number and value, then move systematically to the next cell. Don't mix them up. If electrolyte temperature differs from standard 25 degrees C, apply the temperature correction so numbers match specs. These readings tell you charge level and cell health. Large variations between cells suggest a failing, or you finish by returning sampled electrolyte carefully. If spilled, neutralize with baking soda, rinse, and dry the area. Make sure all vent caps are resealed and cables reattached, then decide. Recharge slowly if readings are low but recoverable, perform an equalizing charge if cells are uneven, or replace the battery if a cell is far below spec. If readings suddenly drop while testing, make sure connections are clean and the case isn't cracked. Those faults can mimic low specific gravity and cause false failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.